What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about whether Carnival Corp is a buy or not. So what is Carnival Corporation? Well, Carnival Corporation is a British American cruise operator, currently the world's largest travel leisure company with a combined fleet of over 100 vessels, over 10 cruise line brands. Some of the brands include Princess Cruises, P&O Australia, P&O Cruises, Costa, Fathom, and Seabourn. Arnold W. Donald has been the CEO of Carnival Corp since 2013. Since then, the company has been improving revenues and earnings. And as well as competition, Carnival Corp is ahead of its sector by a lot. It owns 44% of market share in the cruise industry. Its main competition is other forms of travel, especially flights and just cars, traveling with cars. So it's Norway Cruise Line Holdings with a market cap of $11 billion. Another competition is Royal Caribbean Cruises with the market cap of $23 billion. And then there's the biggest one, which is Carnival Corporation with the market cap of $29 billion. So the numbers. At the moment, the P ratio is 10, future P ratio is 9.8, dividend yield is 4.63%, and its payout ratio is 46%. So as we can look at the revenue, it's been growing year over year. As we can see in 2016, it's been 16 billion, and now in 2018 it's 18 billion. Its gross profit hasn't been growing too much, but it has been growing. Total operating income has been growing as well. As you can see, in 2016 it's $3 billion, while in 2018 it was $3.35 billion. Its net income has been growing too. So these are really good signs. And I'm not investing in a growth company. I'm mostly looking at it as a dividend company, as it does pay 4.52% in dividends. Now we're going to be looking at its balance sheet. So the total current assets right now are $2 billion. And net property, $38 billion, which includes all the cruise ships, property, and etc., which is a lot. $38 billion, meaning if it sells everything, they'll get $38 billion, but they would have to give up some money, to pay out debt and stuff. So its total assets is around $45 billion. And its total current liabilities are $19.6 billion. So we could see there's a huge difference, which is very good for this type of company. What can also be considered is Carnival Corporation's intrinsic value is $63.22. The stock is currently $42.92. That's $20 difference. This could be intrinsic value is basically the true value of a stock. This could be a metric we use, and it's very helpful, but it won't be the only thing we use. So I have bought Carnival Corporation because of the dividends they offer, knowing that they can increase the dividends because the payout ratio is low at 46%. The stock could drop short term because of the coronavirus, as less people would like to travel during this epidemic. I bought the stock at around $42.16. So if you like the video, subscribe, comment down below what videos you'd like to see. Comment down what are your thoughts on Carnival Corporation, and thank you.